In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy using your Brother MFC-J4335DW. So this printer has two different scanners. It has a scanner glass over here. If you want to input a paper over there, put it facing down with the top part of the page towards the left side. And then you're gonna put it like this and glide the right side corner over here. You see there's an arrow, so it touches the paper. Okay, close the lid, and this is how you input a paper over there. Now, before going on the menu over here, if you have multiple pages, you're going to use the top document feeder. In that case, you're going to open this small plastic clip. You're going to put your paper again facing down with the top part towards the left, and you're going to glide it between these two plastic guides, just like that. On the control panel, you're going to press copy. It's this button over here. And then you have a few different options you can change, like the quality, paper type, and other stuff. You can go through all of them. Honestly, most people will not change anything. At the end, once you're ready, you have two different choices. The first one is to press this white button, which will make a black and white copy. Or if you want a color copy, it's the green button. I'll select the green button. I'll press it once. I'll extend this paper output. And the copy went out. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.